So hi everyone, I'm Bronte Miller and I am the instructor for CST 110. In this unit, I would like to talk with you a little bit about the start of the course, some of my expectations with regard to the course, and give you a little bit of a tour of the Blackboard site. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, when you come into the Blackboard site for the course, it will launch into a welcome screen, and the welcome screen includes a little introductory video by me that I recorded a while back. Plus, it'll provide you with the syllabus for the course. Please read the syllabus for the course. It's an important document. It is the contract between us. It gives you a lot of really important information, and plus you're going to have a quiz on it in this unit. So make sure that you check out the syllabus. In addition, under the welcome screen, you'll see some rules for how to engage in an online discussion. These rules simply are about you being respectful of the forum, respectful of each other. Okay, so going along here, along the left tab bar of Blackboard, you will see a tab that talks about the course calendar. When you click on the course calendar tab, you will be brought to a screen talking about the course calendar. And in big bold yellow, it says that the due dates are important, and that's absolutely true. For me, the due dates are critical. It helps you to stay on task with regard to the course, keeps things moving along. It ensures that you don't get behind and don't get in the weeds on anything. And plus, it shows respect for me as your instructor. It shows respect to your classmates, and it shows respect for your education. I know that you're busy. We're all busy. But what I've discovered is that regardless of how busy I am, I will make sure and set a priority for the things that are important to me. What I hope is that your education is important to you. And if it is, you will do the things that you need to do to get your work done. So I've created a course calendar for you to help you organize your time, to make sure that you get your work in on time when it is due. Because again, I say, due dates are important to me. So let's look a little bit at the course calendar. The course calendar looks like this, and you'll see it is broken up week by week. In each week, I will have a very simple description of what's going on that week, plus some things that will be due. I've color-coded the things that are due. Anything that's in purple is a quiz, and those quizzes are under the quizzes tab, and they are due by midnight on Sunday of that week. Then you also have in blue any discussions that you're going to be posting. Each discussion is in a 2-week round, so you'll have a post in week 1, and then you'll have a post in week 2, and those posts are under the discussion forum. In the course calendar, the discussions are blue. We also have reflections periodically. You will have reflections where you go in and talk a little bit about what you've learned and reflect upon your takeaways on a particular unit. We also have in red anytime that a test is due. The tests are proctored assignments. They are taken on campus, and they are the only assignments that are due any day other than Sunday, because the tests are to be taken on campus, and the campus is closed on Sundays. Those tests will be due earlier in the week. So make sure that you plan ahead so that you can come to campus to take those tests. And finally, you have an oral presentation. The oral presentation, those assignments, the due dates for those are in green. So again, it's really important that you check out those assignments and know when things are due. So back to the actual Blackboard site for the course, you will see under the Blackboard site for the course, in addition to the course calendar, you'll see what the textbook is for the course, which happily there is no textbook for the course. You'll find everything you need on the Blackboard site. So where will you find all the information on the Blackboard site? You'll find it under Unit Lessons. Under Unit Lessons, you will see folders for each of the academic units that we have. Unit 0 you've already discovered if you're seeing this video, because in Unit 0 is where you will find the information that is about the syllabus, about writing a professional email, etc. I've also linked you with a video on how to upload videos on using your phone or your tablet onto YouTube. Most of you are already familiar with that, but that just gives you a little tutorial on doing that, because in our very first discussion, discussion 0, you will be uploading a video of yourself to YouTube. So in Unit 0, you'll find some information. We also have the various other units. Unit 1 is on intrapersonal communication. In intrapersonal communication, we have a number of assignments. The assignments include an instructor video by me, also a folder with some information on growth mindset, some videos and some handouts and articles to read, etc. So that's how all of the units are organized. Again, the unit lessons will be where you find all the lectures, all the articles, all the handouts. Under discussions, you will see the forums that we will go to have our discussions. As you know, you may notice the very first discussion forum is a general questions forum. That general questions forum is where you can go in and ask me questions or ask your classmate questions about Blackboard. I encourage you to use the general questions forum for anything that might be a question that one of your classmates may have as well. That way we can sort of crowdsource the answer for that. I will be monitoring this discussion forum. You can monitor it too, and maybe some of the questions you have will be answered before you even have to ask them. Other discussions are under the discussion forum. Reflections are under the Reflections tab. Quizzes and tests are under the Tests and Quizzes tab, etc. And finally, under My Grades, you will see where you can check out what your grade is in the course at any given time. The weighted total will be your course grade at any given time, and it is based upon the assignments that have come in so far. So that is pretty much it. That is the Blackboard site for the course. I've told you a little bit about the due dates and my expectations for that. I have expectations for you to write all of your information for this course professionally, using good grammar, complete sentences, capitalization, punctuation, etc. This is a professional academic forum, a professional academic setting, and so I expect you to act in a professional academic way. If you have any questions of me, don't hesitate to send me an email or give me a call. I work here on campus. I have a full-time faculty member. My office is located on the second floor of the Learning Resource Center, so I encourage you to stop by and see me. This is the office. You can see it here. You can come by and see me anytime, or you can email me. Otherwise, just welcome to the course, and I will see you online.